Okay, so here on your map, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to title the top of the map Revolutionary War Battles. So these are the really big fights that happened in the Revolutionary War that ended up determining if they were who was going to win and who was going to lose. So now that you have that, you're going to go down to the Gulf of Mexico, which is right here. And on your map, you should have more space to write. But at the top, you're going to draw a box, and at the top of the box, write map key. You're going to add in some more information there later. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to outline the 13 colonies. Do you remember where those are? They're right over here. So to show you, I'm going to take my scribble pen, and these are the 13 colonies roughly right here. This is where America all got started.